Guys, welcome. We are here at the Pacifica.
Whoa.
What's up, guys? We're here at Pacifica Skatepark. This is our first time here. We just got done hitting the beach, so we're rejuvenated. We're ready to come skate. So yeah, we're here on top of this Oververt wall for some reason. Gabe thought it was a good idea for me to stand up here and start the video, so that's what we're doing right now. So we're gonna skate.
All right, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go to every single obstacle. Rick, we're gonna judge every single obstacle on a scale of 1 to 10. We're gonna rate it.
Look, he's still got the thongs on from the beach.
The what?
He calls them thongs.
That's what they're called.
No, they're not.
They're called my nail polish.
They're called flip-flops.
In some certain subcultures, they're called chanclas. It's grandma's super weapon.
Is this a sandal?
I mean, I guess, yeah, it does kind of count as a sandal.
It does not.
All right, so first off, we got this Oververt wall.
Yeah.
What would you rate this out of 10?
I mean,
This is a 10 out of 10 if you're JD.
1? Why 1?
Because what am I gonna do on it?
Break your shoulder.
Should I drop in on it?
I think you got it.
All right, now we're just gonna send
Now look,
it.
JD is yelling at you. He said you got it. All right, you got it. I'll go down there and then you send it.
All right.
Oh man!
I felt myself drop off. Dude, when I dropped off, I like got some air and then I made contact with my wheels.
Wow.
But I got it first tee.
All right,
Thanks
so
for believing in me.
on to the next obstacle.
Yeah, what you got?
That vert wall right there.
I already skated it just right now.
You gotta drop in on it. Rate the drop in.
Okay, all right, let's go.
What would you rate it?
I haven't dropped in on it yet.
Ricky, what would you rate that vert wall over there? Oh, I am so sorry. You okay?
Yeah, honestly, this one seems a lot less scary than that one. But there's, I don't know, I think it's because that one's over here.
This doesn't seem very fun to knee slide on.
but JD just knee slides anything.
Yeah, that's true.
This looks thong approved drop in.
No, Rick, no. You cannot drop in thongs.
I
Why?
don't know if this is song appropriate. Flapping away on it.
Should I hit a heel flip? Switch heel is the least pressure on your face. Be careful.
Oh! Nollie front heel.
Yeah, let's go.
All right, let's go on to the next obstacle.
All right, which way? This way or that
Whatever
way?
you want.
I'm lefty, let's go left, which is your right. Oh, this is sick.
Drop it in.
Hey, you're rolling from here.
Drop in? Y'all don't want me to die today, I can feel it.
JD would drop it in.
There's like, look at the runway. Rocks, sand, crack, wall, and then fence.
There's a little glass down there too.
I will drop in.
You gonna drop in? No. No. Whoa. No!
Zach's dropping over, bro. Zach's dropping over. Skate.
What's up?
Oh my god.
Yeah!
Dude, this is insane. There's a video. It's like worst sport at the park.
Oh yeah.
And I dropped in the big bowl and I won it.
I almost died.
You did.
I manual down it. All right, next obstacle. We got some ledges up here. We got the little tech ledge section. There's like 3 heights right here, so we can mess around and have some combos, whatever.
This one for you.
Oh my. Oh my.
Okay, that was stressing me out a little bit.
If I would have saw him do that first, I wouldn't have done it myself. That looks
You
sketchy.
got that glove?
Phenomenal. Look at him.
Yeah! Glove, this is literally the peak of your drop-in ability right here. This is
Definitely
it.
not.
This is
I've
your end
dropped in
game.
something 2 times bigger than this. You
Which
heard?
one?
Woodward 13-footer.
Woodward 13.
Woodward 13? No, this is like Oververt.
We ain't never talked about Oververt in this. You heard me?
Dang it.
Oh! Whoa! Whoa!
Plain easy.
JD made a sound that was like some kind of animal.
Yeah, if you ever played Spore, that's like what they sound like. Oh, I gotta tell Jason.
Oh, oh, oh! You should have committed. You were on the fence about it.
Oh, wow, it's right there.
What?
What?
Are you good?
I think ocean swimming threw off my equilibrium a little bit.
He's doing this trick for you, Uzi. You better watch.
I'm mingling with the locals. We got some homies out here. They're gonna look at this shredding the ball. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. You know what he said to me, Gabriel?
What did he say to you,
He
Rick?
said he's been skating since he was 1 year old.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow, you didn't even watch him, Dan.
I did see it.
Where to next?
Lead section, I give it a solid 7.5. I think it's not really level. It kind of pushes you towards the fence. Or it could be my bad recalibrated equilibrium right now. We got this beautiful Hubba.
Hubba?
It looks like it wants to be a nose manual.
Looks like it wants a back 5-0.
You're right. Let me back the gate first.
Oh, yeah.
That is very nice. I don't know how to slide, but it grinds really well. All right, I'm gonna get a glow to move, and then I'm gonna try to nose manual, cross and down. I stepped on a piece of sand with my big toe in my shoe right now, but I landed it, so that's good.
Did it
Oh,
feel
look at that. All right, the hub is pretty good. It's very manualable, it's very grindable. I don't trust the slides though, it doesn't look like it's very waxed, so I'm gonna give it a good 8. It's got good runaway, or run up as Ricky would say.
I'm saying it's run up. They're saying runway. Aaron Carr's like, it's obviously runway. Post on his story. Is it runway or run
run
up?
up.
75% run up.
Runway is like you're at the airport.
Yeah, exactly.
But it's a landing and a takeoff.
All right, where to next, Chris?
Are you gonna get the 360?
It's 360, man.
Oh! Huh?
5, let's go.
Yo!
I gotta see that, that was nice. Let's go. Very nice. Should we move on?
Yeah.
I like this rail. This rail, it's not a flat bar, it's a down bar.
Oh,
or
you're
not
skipping
bar.
the rail, brother. You got this right here.
We just skated its older brother right
No,
there.
younger brother.
I know a lot of things, and I've asked this before, but how is the moon out and the sun? Then does the other side of the earth have pitch black?
We're not focused on
You
this
think
right
this
now,
is a dumb
Dan.
question, but
Yeah, JD.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, what would you rate? Bump to ledge?
6.5.
Oh.
It's kind of nice, but you can't skate at both sides. It's only backside for regular skaters. I'd give it more points if it was like skatable on either side. Cool.
All right, on this rail.
Yeah, I like this a lot. Let's skate it and test it out, and then we'll give it a good review. If it's good, we'll give it a bad review if it's not so good.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go down it first. Oh, that's butter.
Whoa! Dude, no way! You're good.
All right, the rail's good. I like that it's not flat, it's not ordinary. It's a little special because it's got an angle to it. It's nice and buttery. It's not too fat, not too thin. It's perfect. I'm gonna give it a 9. Really like it.
Really?
Yeah, I might be biased because I really like rails too, but this is a good rail. I've skated some bad ones.
What are you gonna do on this?
I don't know. It's pretty tall. It's above my knees, which is about 6 inches up. So I don't know. Should we try and grind the whole thing?
Oh, the top?
That's what I was thinking.
Oh yeah, heck yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
feel the whole thing.
Let's save it for the end. So what I'll do is I'm gonna skate both of these in the same session. So I'm gonna go this way, hit the bump to bar, and then come this way and hit the main pad. You wanna skate with me, CJ?
I don't think I like your attitude one bit, Mowgli.
That's okay.
Yeah, Glow! What the heck? There's no in between. You come to this park and the locals are just ridiculous. Oh! Yo, that was sick. Oh, I love that trick, Subglow. How you feeling?
All right, I'm feeling good. I think both of these obstacles are really good. I'm gonna give this section right here a 9.5.
Wow.
Yeah, I don't really see like a bank to man like this too often, and this bump to bar is absolutely perfect. It's not too high, not too low, really good for just sessioning and having fun, maybe trying some new tricks. Can't really sack it unless you're Mowgli in the desert. Shout out Mowgli. So yeah, 9.5 this section, I like it.
So this is all that's left then,
So I think the thing I'm sitting on right now is the last obstacle of the skate park. It's kind of intimidating because you got to full send it. It's pretty tall. I think it can be grinded though.
I believe.
I think we can do it.
I believe. Which way are you gonna go?
That's a good question. I think I'll probably come this way and try and 50-50 it.
Right.
So I'll go slower, work my way into it, and then get more comfortable and try and get it. Can be done. I just got to go faster.
Be safe, brother.
Yeah, thank you.
He wants to 50 the whole thing.
Yeah, I'd rate that obstacle 100 out of 10.
Nice, right?
I like curve stuff.
Very nice.
Some hydration.
Almost there. You got it. You got it.
Come on, Chris.
That was sketchy. I think I just like didn't ollie high enough,
You
right?
clipped.
I clipped,
Are
dude.
you okay?
Yeah, the only thing I hit was this right here.
You didn't hit your head?
No. Should I keep trying it?
It is up to you.
Yeah, I didn't get hurt. If I do that again, I'll probably call it, but I think I got it.
I've never seen you fall that hard.
I want to see what that looked like, because I'm pretty
You
sure I
wanna
was
watch
upside
it?
down.
I can show you.
No.
So close.
I wasn't as sharp on that one try, and I thought I had it. I was too comfortable, didn't pop high enough. So now I'm like, okay, I have to make sure I get up there. Otherwise, I'm gonna do the same thing. I'll give it a couple more.
Gosh.
I really don't want to do that again, though. Not gonna lie. Legs are getting tired from popping that high.
10 out of 10.
Now he has no choice. He has to do
We
it.
just seen a backy and one of the gnarliest front lips in world history.
Oh!
My butt hurts now. I really want to see that clip. I'm gonna need that for the TikTok. I've been trying this rail since 1985. Today's the day. Bam! All right, but I'm gonna rate, since it got me, I'm gonna give it an 8.65. 8.65. I really like it. I think it's really well made. It's got the best of both worlds. It's rail ledge. It's curved, which are a bit harder to skate, and I got wrecked on it. It's pretty tall. Maybe if it was lower, it'd be a little easier for, other people. But overall, it was good. It was a good challenge. I tried. So overall, this park, I'm gonna give it a solid 9. This is a 9 park. It's got a little bit of everything. I wish there was more street. If there was a bigger street section, I'd probably give it like a 9.5, something like that. But it's got a little bit of everything so you can learn, except for a flat rail. But I like this better, to be honest.
That was our comprehensive review of the wonderful Pacifica Skate Park. There are some videos right there. Go ahead and check them out. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. What skate park should we go and review every single obstacle next? This series is a lot of fun to make. We love going to new places, and it's summertime, so we can go wherever you want. Make sure you're learning how to skateboard. We have everything you need with our Braille Army Plus membership. We'll see you in the next video.